Hello, this is Ms. Brooks from your Edmentum coach, and I'm here to show you the difference between course grade and current grade. What's the difference and why is my course grade so low? It's confusing, so I'm here to explain, okay? If you go to your um, dashboard within the site, I took a little screenshot here and you can see that this person's current grade is a C, 78.42%, and their course grade is an F. The reason is because the current grade only grades all of the assignments that you've done already. And in the grade book, for the ones that you haven't, there would be zeros, 0, 0, 0. If you all add all those up and divide them by the number of assignments, that's how you find out an average. All right, so that is the answer of why your course grade is not the same as your current grade. You have not taken your exam yet. You need to look at all of your assignments and make sure that they're all done before you get your exam unlocked, because you still have a chance to go back if you missed doing some assignments, or if you did poorly, you can contact your teachers, check your Edmentum Message Center and see how they are offering the opportunity to make up your, raise some lower grades. Okay, so let's look at this another way. This person's current grade is a B. They've been doing really good. They just have zeros because they haven't finished the course yet. Now, if the top grade is lower than a B, and your bottom grade is an F, you may be very far behind. This person is ahead of pace. Okay, so when they take that exam, it's going to bring their grade up. If that's the last thing that they have to do. Some of the exams are worth 20%. That's a lot of your grade for one piece of assessment, right? Okay, I'm going to show you one other way. This might help for some of you who that still was like, what is she talking about? And I understand if it's confusing. It's not you, it's just brand new to you, okay? So I'm going to pretend this is my grade book, my Infinite Campus. Okay, if this was Infinite Campus, and all of these on the top are the assignments. I'm going to make them in green here. All right, so my first assignment was worth 10. My second one was worth 10. My third, okay, so there are 10 assignments possible, and they were each worth 10 points. If you got on this first one over here, if you got a 10 out of 10, believe it or not, your current grade is a 10, right? That's what you'd think it was. But your course grade would not be a 10 out of 10 because all these other things would be zeros. Does that make sense? I know it's different than we've done it at the high school or in Greenfield. So let's look at this. Let's say this person got a 10 out of 10 on the first one. They got an 8 on the second one, a 10, a 9, and a 10. Their current grade is 48 out of 50. If you figure that out for percents, right? I think it's 50, it's 96%, 96 out of 100. Okay, see that 48 out of 50 turns to 96 out of 100 equals 96%. Okay, if you're working along with me, this might be making more sense. All right, but if you didn't do this assignment yet, maybe it wasn't even due yet. You still have a 0 for it. It's not like you're in trouble. You just get zeros for things that aren't done yet. Okay, so if all those had a 0 and then you add all of those together, you can see that by the end, the course grade is 47 out of 100. It's 47%. As you do an assignment and this turns into a number, the course grade goes up. You just watch and see, okay? Take a notice of what happens when you do another assignment and get it graded. Your course grade goes up, okay? If you still have questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you, all right? I'm Ms. Brooks and I'm your Edmentum Success Coach. Let's be successful.